And we are live. I will be. All right. Assault. Let's do this, bro. Randy coming ready to party. I agree. How's it? Aaron says evening. Jeez. Yeah? Jonathan Spalls, how's it? From Malaysia, where it's always 90 degrees. I heard you complain yesterday. Yeah. Oh, man, you're rubbing it in. Aaron, come on. No, it's good for you, man. I'm happy. It's cold here. Let's see what the temperature is. 36 degrees. 3 degrees colder than yesterday. It's exhausting, man. Cold weather is exhausting. It is what it is, though. I'm gonna go have a good lift after this. I'm gonna eat some chili. You know, chili's got a lot of good muscle building properties, guys. Beans, the magical fruit, some beef. You know, the good stuff. I'm trying to build muscle right now. Trying to build muscle. I'm so sore. I'm so sore. Baby, so sore. All right, we got some good people in here. So, Peter, what's up, buddy? How are you doing? All right. We're going to zoom through it today, guys. Okay? Chicken chili is the bomb. Chicken chili is the bomb. We didn't make chicken chili, though. We'll have to make some white chicken chili for sure. All right. Let's get going. Oh, I didn't charge my phone last night. Let me put it on the charger. Bang. There it is. It's on the charger. All right. Let's go. How much protein do you intake? A little bit less than a pound per or a gram per pound of body fat or muscle. Or wait, what am I talking about? Jesus, man, I need to drink more of this coffee. A little bit less than a gram per pound of body weight. You don't need I don't need like 175 grams of protein a day. My body can't even absorb that. So, all right. Anyways, here's Bitcoin in all our glory. Weekly candle last week. Not half bad. It's still an inside candle. Close this one right here. It's not like a shooting star or anything like that. It's not unsymmetrical enough within that pattern. Um, yeah, we'll see what happens here, guys. We're coming up on resistance eventually. There are 12,372 more shorts than longs. Shorts are still much more leveraged near the bottom than longs are. Whatever. Same shit, different day. You know what I'm saying? Same shit, different day. We're going sideways. We're going sideways. There's not a lot to say about Bitcoin. Are you even trading Bitcoin right now? I feel like if you are short or long Bitcoin right now, you either got a really good entry, you're super underwater if you're short, or you're just like getting chopped out of markets. That's the only thing that can make sense. If we go to ETH, super flat weekly candle there. Like, it's the same shit. It's a good week. It was a green week, but the money isn't with BTC and ETH right now. Now, I've been saying for a while, I could go long on Bitcoin or on ETH, excuse me. I got a foggy brain this morning. I could go long on Bitcoin, stop below like 194 ish. You could put a stop below 165 like David is. It's a lot to give back. Yeah, it's still under his 20 EMA on the daily. Not a lot's going on. Try to hit the upside play there. Know where you're wrong. Okay. Let's look at Napixis. Don't get mad at me, guys. I'm just joking around. NPXS. But it's easier to say Napixis. He got up to like 27 sats yesterday. Yeah. It's still range trading before you get all super excited and shit like that. What's the volume say? It's a lot of volume. It's a lot of fucking volume. It's a lot of fucking volume. Yeah. We're in. Crypto Critics is in. My private group is in. We're in. That volume speaks levels. It is what it is. I think we all can guess what is going to happen next. Let the volume do the talking. Now we need to break out with volume, but that's a lot of volume, boys and girls. And if this is going to give a 7% dividend until the end of the year or February or whatever it is, and so people are holding, do you think this bitch ain't going to pump? I think it's going to pump. There's going to be a lot of people left holding a bag on this one. Don't be the one. Sell a little bit too early instead of selling a lot too late. It looks good. Like, I don't need to go down to the 4 hour on this chart. It's going to be the same shit. It's going to be that right there. Bang. Big volume. We're in already. If you aren't in, if I'm not in and I'd like to get in, there we go. That's a better way to put it. Look, that daily 20 EMA just crossed the 50 moving average for the first time. Yeah, man, if you see it 29 sats, it's go time. It's go time. Looks good. Where would I get in? I'd try to get in at 24. See if I could. I mean, if we look at the hourly 200 moving average is at 24, 50 moving average is at 24. I would probably need to scatter some bids between 24 to 25 to ensure that I'm getting in. If I decided that I wanted to take a position. All right, guys, listen. If I say the word you, I'm not talking to you, okay? It's rhetorical. I'm not a financial advisor. There we go. I need to be able to say it. All right. What's next? Hot? Yeah, I want to take a look at hot because it's looking hot. You know what I'm saying? Look at that shit. Look at that shit. My bags are packed. Look at that. Look at that. This to me, guys, looks exactly like all the coins that drop and pump, drop into and then pump. Like it's doing something like this, in my opinion. In my professional opinion, doing something like this and it drops in and then starts pumping. Encash is probably a good gauge for this. Drops in, starts pumping. Now, the bear market took over. This dropped in at a really bad time. Well, a good time, but you know what I'm saying. It still went from 200 sats to almost 600. Like it just didn't get that super market cycle pump because it dropped in right at the end of the March alt season, and everything went to shit. And they lied about the Tommy Hilfiger partnership. Let's see what else dropped into the GVT. Yeah, something like this. Drop in, pump. And they're all going to look different, but they all look the same. They drop into the market and they pump. Except for EOS, which dumped. But that's BIF next. Why is that even there? I'm trying to find a good one. I'm trying to find one that looks like it. What are some coins that have dropped into Binance and pumped like a moaf? I mean, we could look at something like TRX probably, but that had a little bit of an accumulation period. Not a huge one, but it did have that right there. But like, look, hot. A lot of people like Holochain. I don't know a ton about it. It's like there's so many projects these days that it's hard to keep up, and I just find myself being more successful if I trade the charts right now. That's gonna change, but this could go sideways for a while. I'm even gonna put some bids down at 13 to try to catch a retest of this real body of the drop in. Um, and then like, why couldn't this do what? I mean, what's the coin supply? Almost 200 billion. What's Tron's? Almost 100 billion. I'm looking at Tron. Where am I wrong on this one? A daily close below 13 sats. Put your tail between your legs and get out. I don't know how much room it actually has to pump. I think it's got a lot, but that would entail this going to a $500 million market cap, which I think it can. I will also try to grab some on this trend line. This just is, you can't ignore what this is doing right here. All right, let's move on. EOS. For some reason, I don't seem to have the EOS Binance chart on here. But where did we sell? We took a quick flip on EOS in Crypto Critics. We sold right before the 200 moving average on the 4 hour. It was an easy, we bought like right down here, like right here. Sold on the, in terms of price, it was back here. And we sold on the right before the 200 moving average. I think our target was 84.8, 848, and it got to 8481. We hit it by 10 sats. Now, if I wanted to pick up some, I mean, the problem is that I'd be picking it up right below the 20 EMA on the daily. I still have some because I think that the risk reward on this trade is astronomical. You know where you're wrong. Daily close under 79K. Like, it's not a big loss. This leans bearish as a formation. But it's also a series of higher lows. I'm not going to ignore that. And I know where I'm wrong on daily close under 79K. Like, I know where I'm wrong. Not a big deal. So, this bitch could pump. I mean, the next area of resistance after you would clear the horizontals here would be like, okay, 93 to 95K, 102K, 118K. Like, yeah, I'll take that trade every day of the week. if I wanted to buy, I'd try to put some orders near 82K, 81.5 and 82K. Stop out on the daily close below 79K. ICX, I still have bids at 10,200 sats. Why is that? Daily 50 moving average is down there. If I go to the 4 hour, it'll be easier to spot. Daily 200 moving average is down there. And then if you zoom out back to the daily, we can just go to the 12 hour, I guess. Just doing this thing, series of higher lows, range trading, not doing much. If we go to the daily, hit the first profit level, next take profit level will be like 14K to 14.6-ish. And then after that, nothing until damn near 23K. Right here in the 200 moving average. That'll probably be closer to 22K by then. But yeah, man, the risk reward on these trades is where it's at. It really is. If I wanted to get in 10,200 probably, where am I wrong? If I wanted, yeah, 10,200, where am I wrong? Probably a daily close below 90. 270. Horizontal off an ascending trend line. If you watch the lesson on Saturday for stop loss finding, it'll ring a bell. I'll get to requests after I go through the list. Zilliqa. I'm a big fan of Zilliqa right now. Big fan of Zilliqa right now. It's got a cool name, number one. It's being suppressed by the daily 20 EMA, daily 50 moving average right in this zone. But it looks like everything else. Where am I wrong? Probably a daily close below 490K or 490 sats. That's what I'm looking at. We don't have a daily close below 490 sats since like down in this level. And that would break the range. We could put in a higher low. I just don't want to find out. I'll take my 6 to 7% losses and go look at something else. Holy fuck, BAT is pumping. And look where it's being denied at. So what are these Coinbase coins just going to take their turns? Since ZRX is probably cooled off by now? Kind of, not really. I'll probably be grabbing ZRX on the daily 20 EMA. Let's have at it. Put some bids on this trend line as well. I'm charting Poloniex because it has a longer chart history. But yeah. Holy fuck, BAT. Good night. Daily 20 EMA touch. So you could just use former Coinbase ads or speculative pumps as proxies for what's going to happen here. You could use ETC. It's a dumpy market, but all right. So when ZRX was all the way up here, right, getting denied at its trend line like BAT is right now, what happened? Came back to the 20 EMA and pumped again. So if it comes back to the 20 EMA, getting denied by the trend line, comes back to the daily 20 EMA, pumps again. It seems like a higher probability trade to me, and it does have velocity up the order book because people are buying the shit out of it right now. Volume, even on Poloniex standards, is good. Or that's Bittrex, excuse me. And then, what does it look like on Binance volume-wise? Very good. Yeah, we're pumping. So, and just make a list that the next Coinbase coins after ZRX, you know, you have BAT, you have Cardano next. Cardano is in a perfect spot to pump. Look at this fucking chart. Higher low, here we go. It'll happen. Zcash. higher low, at generational bottoms, right? Like all-time low bottoms. This would be a triple bottom. 1, 2, 3. Breakout. All right, so check this trend line. I did it from the real body here, or from the first wick, because the second was a false break. All the way down. Breakout. Retest. Wrote it back down. That trend line is legit as shit. Okay? And we're in. We're in like Flynn. So I'm expecting Zcash to at least pump to 258. My bags are packed. I'm ready for the profits. And then XLM, and then we'll get back to Zilliqa. Like, that's just a long accumulation pattern. I told you guys the other day, I think it was on Friday, I want to have a bag of this. Hint, hint. Like, okay, hit the first take profit zone, but like, I want to have a fucking bag of this, period. Period. This accumulation pattern is mind-numbing. This is like the gold standard for non-bear market blood, even though it did drop like 50%. This is just a series of higher lows. It is what it is. It's pretty obvious what's going on. This coin's gonna fucking just... What's its market cap? That's the thing. How can we project where this is gonna go? It's $4.5 billion right now. What's Ripple's? 18 billion. So a 4x, even to match Ripple right now, oh my god, it's moving average bullish too on the weekly still, for fuck's sake. Okay, so forget this. Forget all this here. Let's look at something. Hit the 1272 almost exactly on its real body high wick. All right. So let's go from the bottom previous market cycle. I don't even know if I can call this a market cycle, but we will based on the rest of the crypto space. Let's go 1618. 1618 is a 4x-ish, 3.5x-ish from here. That would put it right near Ripple's market cap. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. Like, you literally live for this shit. Seriously. Check how the weekly right here is setting up for a bullish engulfing on these three inside bearish bars. What do you call this? 3 black crows, something like that? I don't know. But this is fucking, like, mind-numbing. Mind-numbing. If this breaks down, I'm John Travolta. All right, let's get back to Zilliqa. Oh, Jesus. Like, does this look bearish to you? No. No, no, no. No, that doesn't look bearish. Go to these altcoin charts. Like, the daily will scare you a little bit more than the weekly will. And I'm not scared by this. This looks fucking awesome. What's Zilliqa's market cap? $266 million. All-time high of 1.6 million. 1.4 billion. 46. A 4x from here is 2,000 sats. Previous all-time highs-ish. Puts it right back at $1 billion market cap. Just below. I mean, he got up to 2,500, but yeah, man, I want to be in this right now. It looks fucking great. I'm really excited. Like, that's all I can say. I'm excited. Our bags are packed. What do you want me to... Yeah. All right, we just looked at Zcash. Let's look at Knowles. because I'm excited about nulls as well. I mean, just look at this. Right there is like where you'd want to buy. The 7A6, the macro 7A6, from the bottom to the top of the chart. This drop in support turn or resistance turn support, a little bit of an accumulation there, and then it's rounding bottom with a, and I'll delete this here, and I don't need this anymore either. A higher low. I think higher low means here we go. We'll see. We're wrong on a daily close below 164K. Happened. It happens. 16.48K. I'm sorry. Qtum. Qtum just announced some AWS partnership with Amazon. That's why it's pumping. Oh. Qtum, right? This right here, guys. You see this little block right here. This, to me, looks exactly like this. Like that. Let's put those side by side. Drop in, a little bit of a rise, come back higher low. And to me, Cardano is right here. This is the 3-day. If we go down to the daily, it'd be a lot. Here we go. Because this is on the daily. There you go. To me, that looks almost the exact same. Rise, sideways, fall, higher low, boom, boom. Amazon, Coinbase. Cardano's not gonna, or Qtum, I don't think is gonna stop here because this isn't significant resistance. So let's go back to a single chart. Go back to Qtum. Where would I try to get into Qtum at? First off, did this have great volume? It's pretty good volume. Yeah, it was good volume. Go down to the 4-hour. 4-hour 50 moving average is where I would try to get in. Okay? 4-hour 50 moving average. Line it up. It's a moving target. You can hit moving targets. I know I can. I think you can. If you decided that you wanted to. Not that you have to. 4-hour 50 moving average. Where are we going? It's almost horizontal / 200 moving average season, guys. 122K in my opinion. Why that? I'm not just looking at the 200 moving average. I hope you're seeing what I'm seeing. Be able to see the whole chart. See this wick over here? It's perfect. Hold up. Dogs are acting like somebody's at the door. Let's go to the Bittrex chart. Also, the macro 786 is right in that zone as well. But by the time that it gets there, right off this wick, 200 moving average should be right there. And then there'll be take profit zones at obviously right before 100K. This tells me it should probably be closer to right before 95K. 2 take profit zones. Have fun, kids. And then, all right, Cardano. Same. We just looked at. I think it's got a date with 2,000 sats. All right, let's look at what you guys are asking. BCH. PODID. Wait, you want to look at BCH? Same shit, man. It's a phenomenal risk reward on this trade. It really is. I'm assuming you want to trade it in BT or that, yeah, that you would want to trade it in BTC. Like a daily close below 0.0658, I'd be out. Otherwise, I would be long. Like, the risk reward doesn't say to sell or short down here. You're a fucking idiot if you do. You might be right, but you're not smart. And then whatever the lowest wick down here is, look like it might be this one. 408.42, daily close below, I'm out. I'd be willing to take 10% losses down here, guys. Personally. There's an event in Korea. Yeah, ICX has a ton of events, man. They're always going everywhere. Rumors NPXS is being listed. NPXS is being listed on Bittrex, and that volume is connected to some insider trading. Maybe, but Bittrex isn't a high volume exchange, so that matters none to me. Like, let's look at Bittrex's volume. What their highest rated coin volume wise is. Hold up 1 second. I haven't logged into Bittrex in the longest time. It used to be the Binance, man, and then it left because everybody left because it fucking sucks. Yeah, its highest volume in Bitcoin is RVN at 1258. Here, I'll show it to you guys here. RVN, 1258 Bitcoin volume daily. And the next one is XHV, which everybody's talking about, 352. Like, and then, like Cardano, 95 Bitcoin daily volume. What's EOS? EOS does like almost 3,000 a day daily volume on Binance. And I don't even see it. Did they take it off of here? Yeah, why isn't it on here? That's weird. But let's go to Binance. Give me a second. Was EOS never on Bittrex? That's fucking stupid by them. That was a volume magnet last winter. Okay, so RVN on, this is fucking insane. RVN on Bittrex is 1260 daily volume. That's their number one coin. And then on Binance, it's 10 times. It's almost 15 times more volume. Cardano is doing 486. It's doing like 90 on Bittrex. So I don't think it's the Bittrex matters, really. I don't. If it does, it will for a day. IOST, please, thank you. Same shit, man. Like, this is good practice right now for, all right, so there's times to hit quick flips and buy pullbacks and be a wizard trader, and then there's times to buy and let it ride. And most of what we're doing right now is buying and letting it ride, of what I'm doing, and this qualifies. You know where you're wrong. Under 165 on a daily close. It means you're going lower. And then let it ride. So it's really hard as a new trader to, like, here's my battle lines on IOST. But it's really hard as a new trader to have a trade and let it ride. To let a trade ride, but this is the situation where you learn how to do that. Set a stop. Set an alert down below, set an alert above. Whichever one triggers, that's what you do. If it triggers below, you get out. If it triggers above, you smile and let it ride. Keep moving your stop up. This is good practice for you guys. It will be, or it should be, if these follow through like they look like they want to. Thank you, Benjamin. Thanks, Nicoletta. Same shit, man. I mean, what do you want me to say here? It is what it is. There's not a lot of, oh, I need to figure out what's going to happen here. This is going to take me 10 minutes to chart. It's not a lot of that. There's none of that. It's a bottoming pattern, triple bottom. Below 70 on a daily close, I'm out. So like, I'll just draw that line, double click it, make sure I'm on the day chart, hit alert, less than, once per bar close, create. It'll let me know if a daily candle close. Sorry, they're mowing the lawn. You guys can probably hear that. It's fucking October. Why are you mowing the lawn? It's gonna be snowing next weekend probably. All right. And then targets, the daily 200 moving. Like for me, this peak is a good place to start, and then probably right near 179 or the 200 moving, or maybe this will be a little bit better on a wick, right before the 200 moving average. You take profits, move your stop up on the rest, let the trade ride, try to get a lot out of it. See what happens. See what happens. Right? And so make these red below, make these green above, take profit zones, daddy happy. That's yellow, dumbass. There we go. See what happens. Okay? Lisk? What's going on in fucking Lisk these days? This is clearly an ascending triangle. Where would I buy? Probably 4-hour-20 EMA near 45K. Or I'm sorry, 44 to 45K. Sprinkle bids is where I'd buy. Also put some near 43.8. Where am I wrong? Well, let's look at the 3-day. Let's go back to Bittrex to see where we'd be wrong at, because there's a lot more. This might have a Zcash setup where it's like at generational lows. Yes. So a daily close, candle close below 40K. I'm out. You lose 10%, 12%. First target? Fuck, man. 200 moving average on the daily, 78K. Really? It's like that easy. This is the easiest time to trade. You know, Neblo? What's Neblo? Neblo? You're talking about Neblio? Nebel? Come on, type it right. Do I have it on here already? Why do I have this on my chart? Oh. a daily candle close above like 39K, guys, is like go time. Go time. Next target, to me, for being lazy, but we don't need to worry about it, is 63K-ish. 200 moving average could be down there by then. Where am I wrong? Daily candle close. Is there anything previously? No. Daily candle close below. $24K, because this is more of an inverse head and shoulders type pattern. You're good, John. I'm just fucking with you, bro. Love you too, Div. Is the API copy trading up and running yet? Yeah. Yeah. So, EOS should have triggered for you guys. And David and I need to get on the same page. We're going to have a call today because he got emergency call to the Army, so he wasn't able to be around like all last week. So, we're going to start going balls deep. We just need to get on the same page first. So yeah. Let's look at what's Lux doing? I will buy a pullback to the daily 20 EMA first chance I can get. What's Dragon doing? High or low? Not enough volume yet. Let's look at, give me a second. I should be doing this. Let's look at Binance real quick. MDA. Where would I buy this? Right around there. Right around 15.5 to 14 for a bounce. ARN? The fuck is ARN? Why isn't Doge on Binance yet? Oh God. Oh good God. Oh fuck. I would buy this at 10,800 sats if I could. I'd be out below 9K on a daily close, and I'd be ready to fucking party. Go chain? No thanks. Quark chain, QKC. It's down 7%. Yes, 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 yes. Fuck yes, yes. Perfect. There you go. Moving averages in the daily trap behind this shit. I'd even draw it like that. False break below. 50 moving average. 50 moving average. 735 to 740 sats. I'd buy the fuck out of this. Come on with the mowers. Stop on a daily close below 650. 650. That 50 or that 0.5 fib is right below, guys. at 705. Put some bids there. I'd be out on a daily close below 600. So like right on this zone trend line, 50 moving average, 0.5 fit. Like what more do you want? Deleverage at 920. That right there, it's like 25% profits. Yeah, staying away from the trade over running coins. If they already ran, can't help you. Can you chart products like RVN without much historical data? If you go to coinsignals.trade and go to RVN, it'll have the whole history on it. There you go. I'm not buying that shit. You out of your fucking mind? Can I short it? There's gonna be a whole new generation of bag holders on this bitch. Oh, oh. Where can I buy Tezos at? I've never thought about buying it until now. Yeah, no thanks. I'm not trading on these fucking exchanges. What is Gate.io though? Is this a DEX? This looks a lot like KuCoin, kind of. This. Citizens and residents of the USA are not supported. No, I am not. There you go. That's where you store it. Because I'd be willing to lose 10%. Mark Burton says, "Great work, Noah. I love the stop loss class Saturday. You any thoughts, charts on fuel?" Glad you liked it, man. Thanks for coming around. Yeah, looks ready to go. I mean, that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like, guys. It's not that hard. It's really not that fucking hard. Next market cycle should take it up to 52.94. Minimum. This isn't hopium. This is just like based on everything that I've seen from past market cycles with crypto. 4,200 sats and then 5,300 sats is like, yeah. Deleverage at 3,300. Previous all-time highs. Maybe 3,000. Like, and then just save. Like, I would put sales at 2,950, 3,300, 4,000. Okay, 3,980, 4,980, and be done. That easy. Front run levels. Get your profits. Yeah, time to sell. I'm not fucking buying RVN. If you have RVN, guys, I'd get the fuck out. It could go another 1,000%. So just move stops up or something, but there's no way to stop on that. Yeah, this is a retest on QSP, guys. I'd buy the fuck out of it. Yeah, absolutely. This is a complete retest. You're exactly right. Who said that? Div? What is TNT? Tyrion. It's not a retest, but it's a ascending triangle. 696 looks likely. Is there any volume at the bottom? It's probably low enough where it can pump. I'm digging QSP though. QSP is a good project too. Sorry if you can hear the landscapers outside. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Oh, baby. This is where you buy it. And by you, I mean me. Oh, baby. Excuse me while I tell my private group that I'm buying QSP. All right. Why, Gavin? Why are you concerned that Encash will get delisted? I haven't looked into it. Is it just a scam coin? The hell is P Chain? What the hell is P Chain? Why does it have that name? PP Chain? PAI? 14 million market cap. Okay. I like where your head's at. Buy box. Yeah, no thanks. It's on IDEX. Yeah, I'd trade it on IDEX. Let's look at the ETH pairing. Yeah, this is where you buy it. Right there. Stop below 77K on a daily close. I'd buy it with ETH. What's the Bitcoin chart look like? But I can't buy it with Bitcoin. I can only buy it with ETH because I'm only one of those that I trust trading on is IDEX. Yep, retest. Come get it. Come get it. So without being lazy and actually doing something with my pathetic life here, I need to fib this from bottom to top. Is that the 618? Yes, it is. Oh, baby. Yeah, man. I mean, here you go. Have at it, buddy. I could throw 1 or 2 BTC at it. It's a joke. Ivan, if you're watching, I love you, baby. Oh, my bad. You can't see the screen. Yeah, common issue of mine. I'm a dumbass. No, there we go. There you go. 618 of the current move. It's above right now. Touch the daily 50. This is where you buy. This is where I buy. And then, kind of look at this price range history. Bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, boo! Know what I'm saying? What's Poa doing? Looks ready to go. They all look ready to go, baby. What's Aunt? Aunt, you gonna do something with your time? What about Neo? What the fuck are you doing with your life? Yeah, looks good. Looks good. How about Nano? Dicking off. And I look half bot. That's such a bad fucking fake accent. What's Cripple doing? Looking like shit. Excuse me, I just burped in your ear. It's disgusting. I'm a nasty person. Monaco. Almost had you guys fucking play Monaco. Why didn't I do that? I was gonna call it and then I didn't. Well, on to the next one. What's Link doing? It's in this fucking growth channel. And no, that's not a bear flag. That's not a bear flag, guys. All right, metal. Yeah, this is where I'd buy metal. Yeah, this is where I'm buying metal. That's the pump. Neo's a buy and hold, man. It's, in my opinion. You guys gotta do what you want. What's Len doing? Retest 260 for a ping pong bing bong, you know? IOTA, meh. I mean, yeah, that's where you want to buy it. Is GVT still fucking running? It's at the 0.5 fib. It's gonna gets above this. It's full go. Does it have any volume? No? I'm not buying it. I'm rooting for it though. KMD? That probably looks like an hourly bull flag. That's exactly what that looks like. That's an hourly bull flag. Takes us right up to this area. 230,000-ish sats on a measured move. It's really that easy. And then you look that this has had accumulation trading with wicks up to that zone in the past. It's pretty simple. What's a bull flag? Any volume? It's good to me. Enigma to me is a buy around. Man, this is going to be heartbreaking if this market falls through because these setups are just like. Looks so good. Needs volume though. That's where you buy it. I bought VeChain yesterday. Power Ledger's a buy on a retest right now. Looks like an inverse head and shoulders. Descending neckline. Shouldn't have any problem seeing 3,700 sats. Strat looks like a buy. Stop on a daily close below 20K. First target, 25.8, 29K, 40K. You guys can call me the Terminator. I'd buy Tron at 350, 345. Personally. First target, 430. Second target, 535. Tesla is a. I'm just kidding. I'd buy Wabi at 33.30. I mean, this is a pretty clear resistance turn support on Poly. And to me, this is a buy all along this range, even down to 34.50 for the boom boom, because it's going to go fucking boom boom. Okay? To me, this looks like what GVT basically did. Something right, and it's like right around here-ish. Common problem a couple times a year in crypto, guys. You have more coins than you have funds. Welcome to the game. No, I'm alright. No waves for me. Don't pay attention to buy or sell walls, Benjamin. Ever. Those have nothing to do with you. Don't pay attention to them. They're just there to fake you out. You get no accurate signals from those. You just get somebody with a bunch of money fucking with you. Don't play whale games. Trade the chart. All right, guys. I'll be back tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I love you. Be good. Don't go getting liquidated. Bye. Have a good day. Like the video, please. Oh, one more thing. Join our Discord for free. Sign up for free trading calls with a bronze or higher membership at cryptocritics.com/signup. Starting today, in the private group, or I'm sorry, not in the private, in the Crypto Critics Discord, you only get the trading calls if you're signed up for bronze or higher, and you let us know in the Discord in the role request channel. We'll change you over, and then you'll have access to critic calls, but you have to sign up on the website first. So, all right, guys, one love. Peace.